All right, this is number 3 on the week 1 homework for the summer session in 2020 on Physics 2. So the question is, determine which of these expressions are nonsense. If it is not nonsense, solve it with units. Okay. So what I'm really trying to get at here is units will really tell you how you're doing in a problem. And hopefully with this problem that we're doing right now, you might be able to see that a little bit. So the first thing we have is 6 hours plus 2 minutes. Although we are adding something with different units here, that's okay, because these are both units of time, so I can convert one to the other. So I can convert this to minutes. So I have 6 hours times 60 minutes per hour plus 2 minutes. Minutes. So that will give me 6 times 60 plus 2 equals 362. 362. And then we had 1 sig fig. So this is going to go to 400 minutes. Okay, part B. Part B says 10 meters divided by 2 seconds. Okay, again, we have something with 2 different units here, but that's okay. With the division here, this is going to give us 10 divided by 2 meters per second. So it's a speed, which is, of course, 5 meters per second. Nothing wrong there. Not nonsense. Everything's good. Okay, part C says 2 meters plus 4 meters squared. So now I am adding a length plus an area. There is no way around this. This statement is complete nonsense. I can never, if you are ever adding meters plus meters squared, that's no good. You will never see this come up. It means you made a mistake somewhere in your problem. So this is nonsense. Okay, so the units will really tell you how you're doing. If you're working through a problem and you see something like this, then you know with 100% certainty that there is some kind of mistake up above and you need to find it. So really be watching your units. They're really trying to tell you how to do the problem. Okay, so D, I got 4 pounds plus 1 kilogram. Okay, so now we're adding a weight plus a weight. And although they're in different, one's the English units and one is the SI units, that's okay. We can convert one to the other. And I gotta look up the conversion again. Can't remember off the top of my head. So we have 1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms. Okay, so then I can do 4 pounds, 1 pound is 0.454 kilograms, pound plus 1 kilogram. So it's going to equal 4 times 0.454 plus 1 equals 2.816. We started with 1 sig fig, so I should really be at, so this is 2.816 kilograms. and this goes to 3 kilograms with significant figures. Okay, and then the last one, we have 1 kilogram plus 2 minutes. Okay, so here we're adding a weight plus a time. And that doesn't make much sense to me. Is 1 kilogram greater than 2 minutes? Is it equal to 2 minutes? We have no idea. It's complete nonsense. It means nothing. It might seem obvious looking at it right here. Obviously, you can't add a kilogram plus a minute. But really working on this idea and really focusing on it a lot will help you in your problems all the time. I always tell my students that I'm compulsively checking units whenever I do homework. I'm constantly checking it. So this is nonsense. Okay, thank you.